Hello everyone, welcome to CoddingAdda. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to announce we'll start GraphQL series, and this is the first video of GraphQL playlist. I have shared one community post in my channel. Please respond there on which technology you want to see this GraphQL implementation. So without further delay, let's get started with our first lecture. What is GraphQL? I think you all have listened the words GraphQL. For those who haven't explored what is GraphQL, probably today is the day you will explore about GraphQL. Generally, we say GraphQL is a query language, is a API query language. I will explore and explain to you what I mean by that. Let's back to for some time to the REST API world. In case of REST APIs, we have endpoint. We call this endpoint with certain data, and in response, we got some data. Here, front-end technologies don't have any power to choose what data they want in the response. They will get all the data, irrespective of whether they need it or not. GraphQL in this particular point gives you the flexibility. You can choose what data you need in the response, and you can request only those data in the response. Maybe mobile frontend required less data and web frontend required more data as per user needs to show the data. So similarly, mobile frontend can request for less and web frontend can request for more data. That's the very much flexibility added by GraphQL. So by GraphQL, now the different API consumers have power to choose only required data. Also, in Agile, as we develop features sprint by sprint, so we call incremental REST APIs in upcoming sprints. Let's say you are developing one site like Facebook. So in first sprint, you are showing all the friends of a user. In the second sprint, you are showing all the posts of friends. In the third sprint, you are showing all the comments for each friend's post. In case of REST, we have to call the three different APIs. in upcoming sprints, and it will be complicated so on. But in case of GraphQL, you will have to call only one API, and in upcoming sprint you will get additional data in same API's response only. Just front end need to request, hey GraphQL server, now give me post along with friends and comments. You will get it. That's the magic GraphQL does. There are other benefits also. GraphQL defines a schema, a mutual schema between backend and front end. All the platforms will follow that schema only, and front end will know what type of data they are going to get in the response. It will be highly transparent between backend and front end. So is GraphQL overkill? Yes, GraphQL is overkill to small applications where you don't have much interconnected services and you don't have all the related data, and it's a pretty simple business and you have small amount of data. There no need of GraphQL. We can go with the traditional REST way. You have to choose to use GraphQL in your production application or not. I think now you will be able to figure out whether you need GraphQL or not. The scenario that I have explained you, that is described here, you can reach to this post and go through it. I will share the link in the description of the video. In the upcoming video, we will be developing a GraphQL architecture. And that architecture is this one. There we will show how to develop GraphQL services and how not to throw existing REST services. They can be used together in GraphQL architecture. I'll show all those things in our upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Bye for now. See you on the next video. Thanks.